In the era of technology, machine learning, a form of artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a powerful tool in fraud detection and prevention. Traditional rule-based systems and manual review processes are often unable to keep up with the ever-evolving tactics of fraudsters. For instance, the email blacklist contains xxx.1@example.com being a fraudster, so any order from that email address can be flagged as fraud. However, if the fraudster uses xxx.2@example.com, the fraud detection system may not catch the fraudulent order without the use of machine learning. In contrast, machine learning can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate fraudulent behavior, and create predictive models using historical data. By feeding data like xxx.1@example.com and xxx.2@example.com into machine learning models, it is possible to detect fraudulent orders from emails. Integrating machine learning into the fraud prevention process reduces false positives and streamlines the review process for legitimate customers. Many fraud prevention services like FraudLabs Pro fraud prevention utilize machine learning to uncover fraud patterns. By combining machine learning with other fraud algorithms, such as blacklists and geolocation, FraudLabs Pro consistently detects fraudulent orders. Online merchants can rest easy whenever they have integrated their shopping cart with FraudLabs Pro. Try FraudLabs Pro fraud prevention for free now.